Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find this option, security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and tap on more security and privacy. And at the top we've got the option special permissions. Here let's localize the option which is called install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser. Just find it in the list and then tap on it and tap on the switcher next to allow from this source. Here we've got the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Basically, third-party apps aren't verified by the developer and you may put your data or actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is now allowed to install some content, and of course it works the same with all other apps. If you wish, you can also remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.